Seeing a weird snakeskin pattern or chalky edges on your Bronco's hardtop? That's not a normal sign of wear. It's the sign of a manufacturing defect in the early first-generation tops. Yes, these are signs of a structural problem. The reason is that the original manufacturer, Webasto, made the outer composite layer too thin and didn't properly seal the edges. The honeycomb pattern you see is the internal support structure showing through the surface, almost like a ghost image. This happens when the panel heats up in the sun. At the same time, the unsealed raw edges of the top act like a sponge, soaking up moisture, which causes them to break down and warp. To confirm if your top is affected, start with a simple walk-around. Look at the large, flat surfaces of the roof in bright, direct sunlight, or when the top is wet after some rain. This is when the honeycomb pattern is most visible. It shouldn't be there. Now, move to the edges of the individual roof panels. If they look faded to a light gray or feel chalky to the touch, that's the material degrading from water exposure. You might even find a thin, dark vinyl strip peeling off an edge. That was a factory attempt to cover the flaw, and its failure is proof of the problem. Next, do a physical check. Go to the rear passenger side corner and look at the gap where the two main roof shells meet. If that line isn't perfectly even, the panel is already warping. Now, gently press on the seams, especially on the driver's side rear clamshell. The panel should feel solid. If it flexes easily or feels soft and separated under your fingers, the layers are coming apart from the inside. This delamination is what causes a lot of the wind noise and water leaks people report, because the panels no longer hold their shape to meet the seals correctly. Finally, check the interior. Pull down the headliner slightly where it meets the roof panels, especially around the sound-deadening sections. If you see it separating, it means moisture has already worked its way between the layers and is breaking down the adhesive. Once the damage is inside the panel, it can't be reversed. Also, open the back gate and look at where the top mounts to the body in the cargo area. Any signs of flexing or distortion around those bolts mean the top is losing its rigidity. The only permanent fix is a full warranty replacement with the updated MIC 2.0 Hardtop. Ford began rolling these out in late 2021. The new tops have thicker composite layers and properly sealed edges that prevent both the print-through and the water absorption. Be aware, though, that dealership backlogs for these tops can be long due to the high number of claims. While you wait on a replacement, you can manage the symptoms. To reduce leaks from the front, you can adjust the header panel latch tension. You'll need a T30 Torx driver. Make small quarter-turn adjustments to tighten the clamp for a better seal. To help with wind noise and smaller leaks, apply a quality silicone grease like Shinetsu or Krytox directly to all the rubber weather stripping. This helps swell the seals and fill small gaps. Ignoring this won't just be annoying, it will lead to real damage. Water can get into your headliner, causing stains and a musty smell, and can pool in the cargo area. Document every flaw you find with clear photos and videos. That will be your best tool for getting the warranty process started with your dealer.